Today, we will break down the best 5 fishing kayaks of 2024. If you're new to kayak fishing, you might be surprised at how much the right kayak can change your experience. It affects everything from your balance and maneuverability to your overall comfort on the water. When you're shopping for a new fishing kayak, look for ones with wide, flat hulls for superior stability, whether you're casting in calm lakes or navigating through choppy rivers. Models with multiple rod holders and adjustable seating can make your fishing trips much more convenient. High-end kayaks often come with pedal drive systems or motor mounts, allowing for hands-free operation while you fish. And we also have a great gift that will help you choose the best one for yourself in the end. So make sure you don't miss it. Let's dive into the best fishing kayaks out there. Number 5. Pelican Catch Mode 110, which I believe is the best ergonomic fishing kayak out there, priced at $800. Thanks to its tunnel hull design, this kayak offers top-notch stability. Imagine standing up on a calm lake casting your line without worrying about tipping over. This level of stability is rare, especially in budget-friendly kayaks. Storage is another standout feature of the Catch Mode 110. It has front and rear tank wells, multiple bottle holders, and 3 flush mount rod holders. This means you'll never struggle to find space for your gear. Everything has its place, making your fishing trips smoother and more enjoyable. I love how easily accessible my tackle is, no more fumbling around. Customization is a breeze with the rigging tracks. Whether you want to add a fish finder or extra rod holders, these tracks make it super easy. Most budget kayaks don't offer this level of flexibility, which is a huge plus for serious anglers. Safety is also top-notch with the Pelican Catch Mode 110. The additional flotation inside the hull means it meets or surpasses ABIC standards, holding up to 375 pounds. This gives you peace of mind, allowing you to focus on reeling in the big one instead of worrying about your kayak safety. Comfort is key during long days on the water, and the Aero Boost seating system delivers. The adjustable seat has an EVA pad and under-seat storage, ensuring you're comfortable all day long. You won't be squirming around trying to find a good position, which is a common issue with cheaper models. On the downside, it might be a bit bulky for some users, especially if you're new to kayak fishing. But with a bit of practice, you'll find it's manageable. In summary, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 excels in stability, storage, customization, safety, and comfort. Number 4. BOTE Rackham Aero, an inflatable paddleboard that's perfect for fishing adventures, priced at $1,549. Let's dive into what makes this board stand out. The BOTE Rackham Aero is a 12-foot, 4-inch inflatable SUP that's not just for paddling. It comes with an inflatable seat, a SUP paddle, a heavy-duty rolling bag, a hand pump, and fins. But what really sets it apart is the removable pedal port. This allows you to add the Apex pedal drive, transforming it into a sit-down pedal kayak or skiff. Now, the Apex pedal drive is sold separately unless you go for the Rackham Aero package, which includes it along with a 5-piece kayak paddle, a cooler, a cooler rack, and a sand spear for anchoring. This package is a total game changer for any angler. I really love the stability of this board. At 38 inches wide, it's super stable, making it easy to stand up and fish. Inflating the board to 10 to 15 psi ensures it's rigid and durable. For someone my size, 6 foot 1 inch and 250 pounds, it's like stepping on and off a dock. No wobbling, just solid footing. One unique feature is the Apex pedal drive, which includes a steering rudder. This rudder can kick up if you hit something underwater, protecting the drive shaft. The prop drive lets you pedal forward and backward, making it easy to navigate tight spots or back away from obstacles. I took this into areas with standing and fallen timber, and it handled beautifully. Storage is another big plus. The board has channels next to the seat for rods, plus a rack for extra storage. I had my rods, a backpack, and a paddle all within easy reach. The paddle stows quickly under the front bungees or in the channels, keeping everything organized. Now let's talk about portability. Even though it's long, it's light. I managed to carry it from my truck to the water solo. Smaller folks might need a hand, but overall it's very manageable. The heavy-duty roller bag is perfect for storing the pump, drive, paddle, and accessories. One thing to watch out for is getting the seating just right. It might take a couple of tries to adjust the straps perfectly for comfortable pedaling, but once you do, it's smooth sailing. Number 3. Perception Pescador Pro 12. That's the perfect for those long fishing trips, priced at $1,100. If comfort is your top priority, this kayak has got you covered. The adjustable lawn chair seat is like having your favorite outdoor chair on the water. You can adjust it high for better visibility or lower for increased stability. It's like bringing your living room to the lake fish for hours without any back pain. When it comes to durability and stability, the Pescador Pro 12 excels. Made from tough materials, it can handle both harsh sun and rough waters with ease. It supports up to 375 pounds, so you can load it with all your gear and maybe even some extra snacks without any worries. And despite its toughness, it only weighs 64 pounds, making it easy to carry from your car to the water even if you're on your own. Storage-wise, this kayak is a dream come true. The large compartments at the front and rear give you plenty of space for tackle boxes, coolers, and maybe even a folding chair for shore time. Everything you need is within arm's reach, so you won't have to climb over piles of gear. One standout feature is how user-friendly the design is. The spacious compartments and comfy seat allow you to move around easily and get right into the action. Plus, the kayak glides smoothly, so you can focus on fishing instead of struggling with your boat. There's just one downside. Even with its ample storage, you might need a little extra space for smaller items. A small additional bag or organizer could solve that issue. Overall, the Perception Pescador Pro 12 is an excellent choice for those who value comfort, durability, and storage. Number 2, Old Town Sportsman Salty PDL 120. And trust me, this kayak is more than just a pretty face, it's a true game changer on the water. First things first, the standout feature here is the revolutionary power drive pedal system. Much like the Perception Pescador Pilot, this system allows you to move forward silently and effortlessly. This means you can stay focused on reeling in your catch without breaking a sweat or making noise. Comfort is also top-notch with this kayak. The adjustable seating system is designed to keep you comfy throughout your fishing adventures, which is crucial for those long days on the water. And speaking of storage, the Salty PDL excels here too. It's got ample compartments to stash all your tackle and gear, so you won't be left scrambling for your essentials. The Salty PDL's wide hull design is all about stability. Whether you're on calm lakes or protected coastal waters, this kayak inspires confidence even in choppy conditions. It's perfect if you're looking for a stable platform for fishing. One cool feature is the removable transducer mount. It lets you add a fish finder, turning your kayak into a sonar-powered fish finding machine. This adds a whole new level of tech to your fishing game. However, it's not all perfect. The pedal system does take up some storage space compared to non-pedal kayaks. Plus, the Salty PDL might feel a bit bulky if you're into agility and covering large water areas quickly. But if stability, quiet propulsion, and a super comfortable setup are your priorities, the Old Town Sportsman Salty PDL 120 is definitely worth considering. Number 1, Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 12 360. Best kayak overall, and let me tell you, this isn't just a kayak, it's an aquatic throne. The Hobie Mirage Drive 360 propulsion system. This allows you to move forward, backward, and even sideways with incredible ease. Picture yourself effortlessly navigating tight spots or positioning perfectly for that crucial cast without even touching a paddle. It's like having a cheat code for kayak fishing. Comfort is another area where the Pro Angler 12 shines. The adjustable mesh seat is designed to cradle you like a throne, ensuring you stay comfortable during those long fishing trips. And for those moments when you need to stand and reel in a big one, the innovative standing platform provides rock-solid stability. Storage? This kayak has you covered. With expansive watertight compartments, H-rail mounting systems, and a removable tackle crate, there's a place for everything. Plus, it features a removable live well to keep your bait lively and ready for action. It's these thoughtful touches that make the Pro Angler 12 stand out from the crowd. Tech enthusiasts will love that it comes pre-wired for fish finder installation. This means you can transform your kayak into a sonar-powered fishing machine, giving you the edge in locating the best spots. However, all this luxury does come at a price. The Pro Angler 12 360 is undeniably expensive for between $6,000 and $4,000, and its considerable size might be a bit intimidating for newcomers to kayak fishing. But if you're serious about fishing and want the best possible experience, this kayak could be your perfect match. In summary, the Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 12 360 is packed with features that cater to the most discerning fishing professionals. Now, let's break down what you need to consider when choosing the perfect fishing kayak for yourself, as we promised at the beginning. First, consider the kayak's length. Shorter kayaks, under 11 feet, are great for maneuverability in small ponds, while longer ones over 12 feet are faster and better for larger lakes and rivers. Stability is crucial. Wider kayaks are more stable and ideal for standing, but they can be less maneuverable. For more speed and tracking, look for models with keels, especially if you fish in open water. Storage is key. Choose a kayak with ample space and compartments for all your gear. If you use modern electronics like fish finders. Ensure your kayak can accommodate them. Portability is also important. Lighter kayaks are easier to transport, especially if you frequently move them over rough terrain. Finally, think about anchoring. Traditional or electronic anchors can help keep you in place, but might add weight. Consider these factors to find a kayak that fits your fishing style and needs. That's for today, folks. Let us know in the comments, are you in the market for a solo kayak or something that can accommodate a few more people? And also let us know what you want to see in our upcoming videos. Your feedback helps us create content you'll love. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. And make sure to click the notification bell so you're always updated with the latest and greatest reviews. Until next time, happy fishing and tight lines.